Health experts are sounding the alarm for tick-borne illnesses, including a non-treatable disease that killed a man in Maine recently.
News 3's Danielle Seda spoke with health professionals about the complications caused by ticks and why more cases are occurring.
It's summertime at First Landing State Park in Virginia Beach, and families are ready to get on the trails. But there's a checklist of things that they need, including sneakers, sunblock, and most definitely bug spray, especially because of tick-borne diseases that can really put a damper on your summer season. Alan Andonian says recovering from Lyme disease isn't exactly a walk in the park. In fact, it's had a permanent impact on his dad.
And he's been low energy, and for years and years, he hasn't been able to get fully recovered from that.
Even health professionals like physician's assistant Darren Willis says he got sick after pulling off a pesky tick that was crawling on him.
3 weeks later, I was in the doctor's office with fever, body aches, chills, arthritis of the joints, terrible headache, and was diagnosed with Lyme disease.
Willis describes Lyme disease as one of the most common tick-borne diseases that can be treated with doxycycline if caught early. But there are two other sicknesses that pose a danger, especially in the western part of the state.
One being the Powassan virus, which is similar to Triple E, Eastern equine encephalitis. About 50% of the people that get it have long-term sequelae from the disease, and about 10% do unfortunately pass from the disease.
The most recent case being the death of a man in Maine who contracted the untreatable virus 2 months ago. So far this year, there's been 2 cases reported by the CDC. But since 2004, more than 280 cases of the virus have been reported. The other tick-borne illness is called babesiosis, transmitted by a tick that also carries Lyme disease, which the CDC says is treatable if caught early. According to Dr. Melanie Brown, clinical chief of Centera Infectious Disease, the warming of the earth has brought out more bugs.
It is very much a concern, and it's not just mosquitoes that climate change affects, it also affects tick population as well.
So what can you do?
We need to wear bug spray with DEET in it. We need to remove a tick as soon as possible
to create a barrier between you and any bloodsuckers. In Virginia Beach, Danielle Seda, News 3.